is the other place I went to. It's the elevator here at the Table Mountain Lodge here in, I believe this is in, yeah, this is Golden. 5. Dover Impulse. And from the looks of it, this may be a ThyssenDover. Let me check the color of the shaft to confirm that. Nope, this is a Dover, but a very late one though. Let's ring it. Oh, and it decided to leave. Oh, no it didn't. Let's get a cab view. It's basic, but it looks nice, and you got your electric eyes. And you got a door bumper, which even the latest of Dovers have. Lobby. Here on the lobby. There it goes. Let's get a look at this lobby. Got a model bear here. Hello. There's the lobby of the hotel, and that will be it.